The brain can only use glucose. There's a rhetoric that people like to throw around that glucose is the only fuel that the brain can use, and that's just patently false. We know that this is false. It's been known for a long time. Ketones are very efficient fuels for the brain. They just aren't often elevated anymore because the modern diet is relatively high in carbohydrate typically, and because we're eating multiple times a day, the average person is not elevating ketones in their blood. But when ketones are present, they do serve as a primary and an efficient fuel for the brain. And they're actually very neuroprotective in that regard. Ketones can basically support brain function when glucose is reduced. Ketones can be used by the brain, and they can actually sufficiently support brain function. You would never see total absence of glucose, nor would you want to. Glucose is a very important molecule in our blood. But in situations where glucose goes low, ketones can really step up and protect the brain.